Ni hao, welcome back. This episode is for girls because I'm gonna lead you through a 7-minute acupressure to relieve your menstrual cramps. There's also one point which can be used to prevent menstrual pains. Just make sure you're in a comfortable position and you have your screen in front of you so you can follow along with me. Let's get started. The first point is 水道, which means water channel. First, we pull 4 fingers together, right below your belly button, and another 3 fingers on the left of your belly button, where the 2 lines meet is 水道 point. And in the same way, 4 fingers right below the belly button, another 3 fingers, and where the 2 lines meet is another 水道 point. And now we use 3 fingers together to press these 2 points for 2 minutes. First, let's do it gently and slowly. If you're near your bed, you can even lie down to find a more relaxing position. The second point is 子宫, which means literally uterus, and is close to the water channel. But this time we need 5 fingers together right below the belly button, and another 4 fingers together on the left of the belly button, and where the 2 lines meet is the uterus point. In the same way, 5 fingers and 4 fingers, you get another uterus point. Again, we'll use 3 fingers together to press these 2 uterus points for 2 minutes. Let's move on to the third point, 三阴交, which means intersection of 3 yin. You can press this point regularly to prevent menstrual pains. So first, you find the tip of your ankle bone on the inside leg and put 4 fingers together right above the tip, and you find 三阴交 point right here on the border of the tibia bone. And we use the thumb to press this point for 1 minute. 三阴交 means intersection of 3 yin. It's an essential point for feminine health, especially to adjust the blood circulation. So it's often used to prevent menstrual pains and to slow down aging. But attention, this point cannot be pressed on pregnancy. And now let's move on to the other side. Again, 4 fingers together above the tip of the ankle bone, here on the border of the tibia bone. Is the 三阴交 point. The last point is 神阙, or spirit tower. It's right here in the middle of your belly button, but if we press it directly, you may feel uncomfortable. So we'll hit it using our hands for 1 minute. Due to the yin-yang theories, the upper body is yang and lower body is yin. So 神阙 is right in the middle of yin-yang to connect and balance each other. That's why it's an essential point to keep health. So now, how do you feel? Tell me on the comments down below. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss another tutorial from me. I'll see you very soon. Bye!